Today we're going to create a really fun interactive feature for your journal. So come along and let's journal together. Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel and to a new journaling with me video. So today is day 10 and this video was actually supposed to be for yesterday because technically today is day 11, but I did not have enough time to add the voiceover and finish editing the video in time. We have been at a volleyball tournament the past couple days and just not enough hours in the day, but I did manage to get my journaling done early in the morning before heading out because we had the PM wave. But yeah, not enough time to add the voiceover, but I am here a day delayed but I still wanted to continue with this series. Now the video for day 11 is just gonna have to be tomorrow, so we're gonna be one day behind, but it's okay. We're still relaxing, journaling, and enjoying the process, and most importantly collecting the memories that otherwise just stay in our phones. So as you can see, we are going to be doing another Disney spread today. We went to Anaheim for a volleyball tournament back in April, and we ended up doing a one day at Disney after the tournament, which was really fun. Actually, my daughter, the one that was at the tournament, had a team bonding, so her and all her friends from the volleyball went to Disney, and me and my youngest daughter decided to come along, but we were doing our own thing and let my daughter just have fun with her friends. So it was really fun kind of seeing her interact in Disney in a different way. We always go as a family, and it's really rare to kind of have a big group of friends with you at Disney, so I was very happy for her. And then of course we kind of had check-in points and met up and had food together, but me and my youngest kind of had a mother-daughter day at Disney, which we also never had because again we always go in a group as a family, and just to be one-on-one with one of my daughters was really special, and we were just kind of doing everything she wanted and we had a really great time together. So for this spread, I know I wanted to do a fun pop-up page. So I selected 4 pictures from my camera roll and I did a collage. So I had 4 pictures on a 4x6, so that way all the pictures are the same size. And I went ahead and created this opening flap, and I'm gonna glue this onto the page before I glue the other side of that page, so that way the hinge is hidden behind the double page spread. And I just wanted to add a lot of color onto this page, and I really don't have more items to add besides just the memories and the pictures. We usually save a map or a ticket or something from the gift shop, but yeah, this time was a very casual trip, only a one day, so I didn't collect anything other than beautiful memories. So the spread is gonna be pretty simple, just the pictures and the memories. So I wanted to add this pop-up feature to kind of make the page a little bit more fun. So I printed the collage with the 4 pictures and then just one main picture for the front. So I'm going to be doing that little pop-up pop and twist. I'm just using some of my scrap pieces here to create that directly onto the design paper, so it will also save me a step of cutting and covering everything up, and also it will save a little bit of bulk on to the journals. And as much as I want my journal to be chunky and fat, I still have probably 2 other signatures on this journal to continue adding memories. So yeah, it is getting the way I want it to be, which is chunky. But anyway, so I'm just cutting the pictures, and I am making sure that my pop-up size is going to be big enough to fit each one of the pictures. These pictures are each 2 by 3, so yeah, so something to keep in mind sometimes when you are adding pictures to your book, to make sure to make the pop-up big enough, or the other way around, to make sure that you print your pictures to size the pop-up. So either way, I just wanted to kind of picture it and see how it will look. So I'm just making sure my page is not too big, so I don't want a big empty space on the pop-up page. So once I did the accordion to the size of my pictures, I am going to be doing the base for this pop-up. This is the same technique that I used before. We create this grid and then we just fold it to make the pop-up base. I love this technique. I use it in many different types of pop-ups. It's a good base to learn, and there are different sizes and different size pop-ups that you can create with these. I have videos kind of showing you how to use one technique in different pop-up layouts, but yeah, so I'm just undoing all of cutting and folding, and then we're gonna be adding our little accordion fold. So now that we have the journal page pretty much ready. We are going to be adding the picture. So I did print one full picture at 4x6. That will be my main feature for the journal spread, and then we are going to be adding the other little ones onto the pop-up, and then just adding some stickers, adding some journaling, and finishing up the page. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed the process of journaling another memory from my phone. And I hope that this inspires you to continue creating in your journal. And I'll see you on the next one.